Hi guys, Misha here. Sorry, I gotta be quiet for obedience of the quiet hour in my house. Let's prep for Friday. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. Your boy's working on set, and I have a callback for commercial, so finger crossed and uh, and wish me to break a leg. That's how actors cheer up each other. Oh, hey, Andrix. Hi there. Hi there. Uh, yeah. I'm still gotta be quiet. Virtual stop and gapped over the next morning just to respect. Uh, just give me a sec. Just to respect my rules. So I have another 20% running here and 20% running to monthly resistance. That's about I have an HSBC. We also have a reply in my support tickets in regards of the mismatch of hourly daily. I wish we show the info as it comes. It do not affect it. I understand. Hi, James. You see, he cannot answer me a simple. Anyways, let's leave it for later. It doesn't make sense to deal with this now. APD is correcting, which is okay for 0.5. I'm not much excited about this volume, but that's all right. Our biggest volume was here. Now it comes in with some bigger volume. Yeah. We're in a good place on the monthly, I believe. So it's a correction, which is okay to shake off the weekends. I would add to my position somewhere around here. If it comes to 0.5, corrects, makes a spring here. Yeah. AMT. Oh my gosh, tell me it didn't let me out. It didn't let me out. You see, if I'll be wrong on this one, you guys, you see I didn't put it to my break even. I violated my rules. I put it to 198. And we'll see if I'll pay price for it, because as of now, it kind of like, it's still okay. It's still okay. As this volume comes in, still grinding lower. Now in this balance, I think it will go, but just to keep me on the edge of my seat for a little while. What happened here? HSBC changed the direction on hourly, so we wouldn't consider new trades no more. It kind of twists and curls, which it should. Yeah. And we won't be looking for an entry trades here no more. Yeah, we'll just let the stock go. It should go into the daily watch. Yeah, if it comes here, springs here, I'll buy. We're still nowhere on monthly, so let's see the rest. This guy went and probably will go. Dr. Pepper doesn't hurt no more. This guy broke above and goes into this volume level. We'll see how it will operate here. Gold. It's buyable from here. Not buyable, but buyable. Especially with this. Yeah, you can buy it from here. This volume is alarming though. Should watch out for this volume. All in all, I still like it. If it corrects to 0.5, I'd buy. CVS. It's kind of troubled stock now because I don't know how my monthly really goes, whether it's still this short balance or a long breakout. We'll keep on watching. Hey, did you remember me? Sadhun, yeah, of course, Sadhun, I remember you. What's going on, man? I remember like you had this crypto trade. How did it go? How did it go? See, now it's more so a good candidate for short from here, which I don't do. This is absolutely insane. This guy just missed this level by hair, didn't give us an entry point, and just flew up. Yeah, Sadhun, of course I remember you. Do you want me to take a look at anything? Morgan Stanley, look at this guy. Just goes like there is no tomorrow. Like there is absolutely no tomorrow. Goes into the skies. Yeah, I want to make it quick today because I have like a more or early morning wake up tomorrow to work on SAT. But yesterday we entered trade short, but it get long pattern, so we lost money. Oh, I'm sorry. Tell me your entry, stop loss, and take profit, and maybe I can help you to analyze why exactly it went wrong and what could have been done differently. So if you want me to take a look at it, yeah, send me entry. Oops, I'm sorry. Send me your entry and stop loss, take profit, and I'll take a look at it. This is not bad to short now here. Oops, I'm sorry. Did it touch? It did touch by here. Yeah, this is a good candidate to short now. And that's exactly Sadhun. I don't do crypto because instead of losing money, I exit for break even, which you already saw me doing probably. But yeah, send me a setup and I'll take a look at it. Ooh. No volume here though. No volume. This was absolutely upside down. Look at me. I was drunk or something. This was totally... Let me just fix it this way. This is like this. Why are we even looking at it? Misha, after you do analysis where you trade, what do you think is the right platform for me as a beginner? Any broker is good. For American stock, you mean crypto or American stock? If you mean American stock, to absolutely any crypto, any broker that is insured by National Deposit Insurance Company is good. Both you mean. So for American stocks, TD Ameritrade, which is part of Schwab now, is good. Anything, Interactive Brokers, Fidelity, like anything is good. For crypto, depending on which markets you're at, original markets, I mean, Binance would be my favorite. Bybit is not bad. There's a bunch of them. Like pretty much nowadays, any of them will be all right. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, you shouldn't be even looking at it. Let's take a look. Is it your setup? What's the true? Use the True. Your change of altcoins is pretty exotic. So it broke above, then it corrected. Yeah, it's kind of breaking this situation right now. So yeah, for American stocks, any broker that is secured by any DIC is good. For crypto, any exchange or broker is equally risky because there is absolutely no warranty that you'll wake up tomorrow and Binance is still going to be there, aka FTX. We all remember how it collapsed overnight, including myself, who lost some, I mean, insignificant, but I had some money there that are gone right now. And at least the FTX United States has some hopes to be repaid, whereas the international is absolutely train wrecked and people just lost their money. And that's sad. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Thank you, Andrix. Is it Mandrix or Andrix for stopping by? Watch me in recording. Call recordings are available up to 30 days back in on TradingView and in perpetuity on YouTube. So yeah, they're all been recorded. Andrei, Asterix and Mandrix. Andrei, nice to meet you, Andrei. Yeah. You too, bro. Yeah, thank you for stopping by. So, look, gosh, Sathun, let's see what your setup is. Risk entry. Okay, and you take profit. Oh, it's a short trade. Oh, you're trading short? Is it something that you're setting up, or is it something that you are you already in this trade, or is it just a setup? And of course, I want to see you take profit, especially when you're playing short, especially when you're trading crypto. No, I don't get it. Hold on. Oh, I put it in the stop loss. Never mind. Let me put you take profit. Yeah, man. What's your stop loss? I don't see it short at all because, I mean, there was a resistance level here, but see how it broke it with no resistance at all. And also, like, there is 1 bar rule, so if it closes, this month closes above this resistance level, which it's like most likely will, then you can consider this level never existed. So it's not an actual resistance, and it's a counter trend level, so you expect it to be broken. It did some noise here. It's up thrusted. This volume is absolutely insane. I'm not a fan of this being not jump over creek by reaction bar, and the spread lowers, spread narrows, tail grows. So some signs of reversal, but I mean, I don't see nothing bearish here, to be honest with you. On 1 hour, it does look like it slows down. However, there is no distinctive sign of any kind of reversal. Hey Casey, hey man, the whole gang is here. How you been, Casey? Any profitable trades? Anything to brag about? I'm good. I'm good. I'm busy working, so on set and in theater, so don't have much time to trade. Wasn't taking any trades. I'm good on my trades that are ongoing. Um, HSBC just grinds higher, and APD is correcting within the norm, within the expected. So, but yeah, Sathun, I don't see, as of now, I don't see nothing bearish, um, unless you can explain your logic and what makes you think that the script is turning, except for the official resistance level on monthly counter trend. Oops, I'm sorry, counter trend resistance, which is basically supposed to be broken. Everything else looks extremely bullish. Now it's a test level here. If it goes springs, I would buy it from here, like for a short day trade. Here's the same. It broke up, and this volume, we are above this volume. Where's this volume on hourly? Yeah, here's this volume. It protected and it went up. Yeah, so Sadhun, I don't see nothing bearish here at all. Are you already in this trade or are you not? Is it a setup or is it a trade you're already in? You can't be in this trade because you'll be out by this time. So I don't really understand unless you have another explanation for me that I'm missing. Unless you have something I'm missing. It all looks bullish to me for now. So I'm strongly opposed to your view of the market in this particular case. Okay, Casey, let's take a look at ACM paying dividends. Do I have them in the watch list? Doesn't look like I don't. Daily chart. I don't like monthly. How can you be on the trend? I don't understand. Wherever you would have entered at this price, did I put it right? Entry price 0.1. Yeah, take profit 09048. Stop loss 10. Yeah, when did you enter the trade? Because I can understand how you can be in the trade and still be in the trade, because it would have triggered your stop loss. Like here, if you entered anywhere around here, or even here, this would be stop loss. Here, that would be stop loss. So how are you still in the trade? If you can explain, like, when did you enter and based off which time frame, I can understand it better. So Casey, I don't like what's going on here on monthly. This definitely doesn't look like a regular Casey, the Casey that I know, because it was kind of in this, well, it was not an imbalance, it wasn't a breakthrough throw. It was in this long trade here. We can improve our margin and change. Look, I don't understand, Sadhun. Like, maybe it's just too late and I'm a little bit tired, but whatever you manipulate here, like to be in the trade with this entry point, you would have hit your stop loss one way or another, regardless of where you would have entered at this price level. You would be stopped out already. What time? What time did you open this trade, and from what time frame? Let me know, and maybe it will help me to see it better. So Casey, now it's in this situation. we don't know if it breaks, if it closes above and the reaction bar closes above this resistance, it will officially break. If it upthrusts and goes down, then we'll remove this line, this support, and we'll go back to this support. But for now, it's in this motion. I don't like it interacting with resistance level. I'm not saying it's a counter trend resistance level, so it's probably like, I mean, it's supposed to be broken, but also it's supposed to do some kind of correction in this level, like at least like noise. That normally is a good place for me to make money on the opposite movement and the correction. On daily, it looks better. It's in a ever since here, so it did this little balance, like balance-ish. Oh, never mind. It was like this. Yeah, so it was like this. It didn't form there's nothing to draw on daily really, except for like this one. Doesn't change a thing because it's already interacting with the resistance of the monthly. So yeah, no, I don't like this setup. I don't like it. And yes, Adhon, tell me when you entered this deal, so like to better understand your your view and your situation. 86, 89. Ooh, yeah, this is not a daily chart. I like that you start doing 1 to 2 ratios, Casey. But it's kind of like, I would rather you called it monthly chart entry, because daily is a bit useless here. Yeah, I wouldn't consider anything long on this chart until it officially breaks. So if it closes reaction bar bullish, then we can talk about continuation of the trend here, but not till then. Stop loss is kind of like, it's below this month, but like on monthly it's in the middle of nowhere. On daily it's just like, just doesn't make no sense. And now like I'll be waiting for transitory extremum, so when it forms the next bearish bar, and then put a transitory extremum level here and see if it comes and like breaks through it and goes farther, and then like it's safer to state that on daily the long impulse still continues. It's definitely in a long impulse. However, it came to the monthly resistance. It's a counter trend resistance, so it's supposed to be broken. However, it is a resistance, so not till, no, I don't like this setup. I don't like this setup, and there's not much I can add to it. Yeah, guys, I want to check out for the night because it's not an early wake up tomorrow, but yet I need to be bright and early for the daily races. Oh, Pepsi goes bright and early for the daily races. Going nowhere, going nowhere. And currently on the trade, yes, but I ladder that mean we can improve our margin. Yeah, you can play with your margin, but I don't understand. It's not gonna, whatever you do with your margin and leverage is not gonna influence the price on the chart. And price is such here that doesn't make sense in terms of you still being in a trade. It's like virtually impossible to be in this trade. You'd be stopped out already. Um, so yeah, either explain yourself better, or I'm missing something. Everything just goes higher. Starbucks can be interesting at this level. It went too high now. We'll be watching. We'll be looking. Um, yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna check out for the night. Um, this goes according to the plan. There's nothing alarming here. I'll be biting my elbows if I miss my opportunity to exit this trade when it went against me, just because of being too greedy. But it's also all right at this level. I expect it to go. But yeah, guys, I'll check out. I'll bail out and see you. I'll be streaming during weekend. We'll prep for Monday. Maybe we'll analyze more stocks. Night to night.